Granny, can we watch a movie? Can we have some popcorn?
Let's do that. You want to make it?
Of course.
Do you remember the glory days of your kitchen, back when your doors and drawers used to operate correctly? Perhaps your current appliance layout is riddled with pain points and simple tasks like making dinner have become difficult. Whether your kitchen's beginning to fall apart or simply not serving your needs in the way you deserve, we have the solution for you. Kitchen Crate Custom, our newest crate product featuring all new cabinets and a complete kitchen remodel. Our process begins with a brief phone consultation followed by a free in-home visit. When you decide to partner with us, we'll work together with a cabinet maker to create the ideal layout and an interior designer to select the perfect finishes. Everything from countertops and backsplash to electrical and plumbing. In roughly 3 weeks, we'll transform your once frustrating space into a beautiful, functional new kitchen. Since we offer custom cabinet design, each cabinet bay is created to meet your specific needs. Just imagine relocating your overflowing trash can into a concealed cabinet, regaining your once lost countertop space by moving your microwave into a cabinet, and installing organized cabinet amenities like Lazy Susans that transform dead corners into functional spaces. And of course, the best part is the years of memories you'll create in this beautiful new space. So why wait? Take the first step creating your dream kitchen by calling 888-995-7996 or visit kbcrate.com/schedule.